Hello everyone, I am Neena. Welcome you all to our channel K Edifiers. And from the past tense, as before I had told you, tense has 4 forms and past tense has also 4 forms. And we have already completed the first 2 forms. Today we are going to complete the third form of the past tense, that is past perfect tense. Okay. So as usual, the way I let you know by having some structure. Here also we are having a structure of past perfect tense. So before going to write the structure for you, I just want to tell you in this tense, or before, to build or to form any sentence in past perfect tense, you have to know the use of past participle form of the verb. As before I had told you, verb has 3 forms: present, past and past participle. Here you have to know the use of past participle form, that is verb 3, and the past participle form of the verb have, that is had. Here you have to use these 2 things, right? So I am gonna write subject had, verb 3, object. Clear? This is the past participle form of the verb have, and this is the past participle form of all the verbs, that is verb 3, right? So another thing is that in past perfect tense, when we can use or when we can form sentences of past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is in this tense, the action which started in the past and also completed in the past. There you can use past perfect tense, which action is already completed in the past, started and ended up in the past only. There you can use past perfect tense. Am I clear to you? So by having some examples, we will get to know more clearly. So I am going to write some sentences. The patient had died before the doctor arrived. Clear? So here we are having 2 kind of sentences. In the first sentence, we are things are getting agree with our structure, like the patient, subject, had, auxiliary, verb 3, died. Okay, so this is getting agree with our structure. But what about this sentence? So that is what I am going to tell you. So in past perfect tense, when you are having mixed kind of sentences, having different kind of tense, then be sure that another sentence is in past simple tense, right? And the incident which happened first, that will be in the form of past perfect tense, and the incident which happened after that, then that will be in the simple past tense. Clear to you? The patient had died. पेशेंट मर चुका था डॉक्टर के पहुंचने से पहले, राइट? तो कौन सा इंसिडेंट पहले हुआ? पहले पेशेंट का डेथ हुआ है, फिर डॉक्टर आके पहुंचा, राइट? तो उसको बचाने का और कोई चांस ही नहीं था क्योंकि पेशेंट ऑलरेडी मर चुका था. तो which incident happened first? Obviously the past perfect tense incident happened first, then the past simple tense. Can you getting that thing? Why it is in past simple tense? Obviously just go and match the structure. This is the subject, doctor, arrived, verb 2, and obviously our structure of past simple is subject, verb to object, that's why this sentence is simple past tense. Okay, so same thing I am not going to write for you, just want to tell you, if you want to convert the sentence into negative sentence, then same thing, just point out the auxiliary, just add a not after the auxiliary, it will be negative sentence. The patient had not died before the doctor arrived. If you want to make it interrogative, just take the auxiliary to the first part of the sentence and write accordingly. You will get the sentence of interrogative. Had the patient died before the doctor arrived? Question mark. Likewise you can convert the sentences into negative or interrogative. Okay. So I am going to write the next sentence for you. That will be, let's take someone's name. Shulekha had her dinner, her work. Okay, So here is a different kind of sentence. You must have some queries that in a sentence we are having had is repeated here. So it's not that much tough for us. It is the easy thing. I'll let you know why it's used two times had and repeatedly it's used why. Okay. So Suleksha, subject. The first sentence obviously getting agree with our structure means this is the past perfect tense, and this sentence is in past perfect tense. Suleksha, subject, had, auxiliary. What about this had? What about this had? It's obviously the verb 3 form of the have. Sulekha had her dinner means Sulekha अपनी dinner खत्म कर चुकी थी. So instead of using had here in this place, you can you can use eaten here. Okay, the past participle form of the verb eat, ate, eaten. So just repeat the sentence. Suleksha had eaten her dinner. Clear? Sulekha had, here you can use taken. Sulekha had taken, also you can use taken her dinner. So here don't be confused that here is another had means something must be different in the sentence, the meaning must be different. Nothing different is there. That means Sulekha अपनी dinner कर चुकी थी. Sulekha had her dinner, meaning same. Sulekha had taken her dinner. Sulekha had eaten her dinner. The meaning is same of having three sentences. So don't be confused when you are facing this type of sentences. Am I clear to you? And next, completed her homework. In which sentence it is? In which tense it is? Obviously past simple tense, that is completed verb 2. Okay, that is completed verb 2. Her work, that is object, means it is in the past simple. So I'm gonna write the next sentence for you to make you more clear of past perfect tense. So here, we reached the theatre after the movie had started. Clear? So can you guess which incident happened first and in which tense both the sentences are? First one is we reached the theatre. We, subject, verb to object. Can you tell me of which tense structure it is? It is in the simple past tense. We reached the theatre after the movie had started. Movie, subject, had, auxiliary, started, verb 3 means this is in the past perfect tense. Am I clear to you? Okay, good. Then next one, as before I told you, when you are having such type of sentence, the past perfect tense incident happened first, then this one happened. Means हम पहुंचने से पहले मूवी स्टार्ट हो चुका था. मीन्स मूवी पहले स्टार्ट हुआ, बाद में हम आके पहुंचे. दैट मीन्स मूवी पहले स्टार्ट हुआ, उसके बाद हम जाके वहाँ पे पहुंचे. मीन्स मूवी का फर्स्ट पार्ट हमने मिस कर दिया. तो पहला एक्टिविटी किसका हुआ? मूवी का. दैट मूवी स्टार्टेड फर्स्ट, देन वी रीच द थिएटर, राइट? I hope it's getting clear to you. So to make any sentence of past perfect tense, just use the structure like I had done my work, she had gone to the market, my parents had cooked delicious food, my teacher had taught me wonderful. Any sentence you can form, just use the structure. Had, verb 3, object. Take any subject, the activity will be likewise, and I hope I am making it more clear to you, easy for you. Hope it is easy for you. Thank you all.